Hello there, another new arrival, 2021 Chevrolet Bolt EV in the absolutely delicious Cajun red exterior. That is an absolutely gorgeous color. Loaded with all the packages, so you get the DC fast charging, comfort and convenience package, the driver confidence package, and the driver confidence 2 package. It has everything, it really does. The award-winning Bolt. Stunning. No words to describe it. Just a new addition here to our fleet of Bolts. Huge rebates as well if you were to lease or purchase, and you can also get extra incentives including Green Mountain Power if you're a customer. There's $1,500 from them, including also a free level 2 charger with $600. That's $600 free. And there's also state incentives up to $4,000 additional. Huge rebates. Middlebury Chevrolet, 802-382-2200.